Shit, man.
Fucking piece.
Wait, Rob.
Fuck you. That's all right, bud. That's all right.
Hey, that's
Yours is gonna
payback
be
for
a
my
grass
fucking
cutter
shirt.
yet.
Payback for my shirt, you fuck.
Now I gotta go get it. Damn it.
Hey, I could have been a lot worse with that, but I was worried about getting stuck in a ditch or some bullshit.
I'll get it.
The bite?
Yeah, watch what I touch.
Oh, my legs hurt from running through that brush, man. Coming back, but it was worth it. I didn't put him out too far, just a little bit.
The whole area is
You got like a disinfectant or anything, or?
I don't know, it's in my blood.
Hey, look where Jake's tracker is.
Yeah, I don't think.
Yeah, you just gotta like wait.
You want to look at?
Look where Jake's tracker is.
Yeah.
It's Jake.
I keep walking on it.
No, actually, Jake fucked with me, so I jumped in
There
his
they
truck
are.
and drove it over there. And dumped it off.
Oh, I thought Jake did.
No, he fucked with me, so I Holy fuck. Crunch, crack,
I
crack.
got it back.
You know what, Jake? Jake, I don't even know if it was worth it, man. My legs hurt so bad running through that brush now because of the sunburn. Oh, fuck. Oh!
Did not sound good.
No.
You're gonna hit a rock.
Oh my
Watch, you'll hit a rock.